Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Thursday morning forecast update, and setting up to be a pretty cool day here across the region. Your high temperature is actually even a little bit lower than what we saw on Wednesday, so don't forget the jacket this morning. You will continue to likely need it as we go through the afternoon. So look outside right now. We're at 40 degrees in Shreveport. 35 is your current temperature there in Texarkana, and you can see some of the stars and planets above Shreveport there. We still have clear skies in place this morning, but that will be changing as we go through the day today. Right now, early this morning, we do have some locations at or below freezing, most of those along the I-30 corridor. Texarkana at 35, so by the time we get to sunrise, we may actually see some freezing temperatures there in Texarkana. Just a light wind this morning at about 5 miles per hour. This morning it's out of the northeast, but it will be turning to the east today and remaining light at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So with the dry air that we do have in place, I haven't seen any issues as far as any fog setting up across the region, and really don't anticipate much this morning. We will be partly cloudy through the first half of the day. Your temperatures in the 30s and 40s through noon, so definitely a cold morning for us. And as we move through the afternoon hours, I think most locations between about 51 and 55 degrees, so just a little bit below normal for where we should be. And again, just an increase in cloud cover as we go through the day. There's your highs, again, lowest north of I-30, and then mid-50s anywhere south of Shreveport there. So here's a look at satellite and radar. We still have high pressure in control for the time being, so I think everybody will wake up to at least a little bit of sunshine. But if you look on the left-hand side of the screen there, we do have some showers that are ongoing in portions of Texas. Like we saw yesterday, that will send some cloud cover in as we move through the day. And our next upper level disturbance, or dip in the jet stream here, now making its way into the Rocky Mountain area. And you see that has kind of tilted some of that Pacific moisture, which is getting pulled in ahead of that. That's what's kind of setting the stage for some of our rainfall tomorrow, as that upper level low actually moves into the region and starts to pop up a few showers, maybe a few thunderstorms as well. So your Robin's Toyota Futurecast showing again some sun this morning, and as we go through the afternoon and evening, we'll really start to see the cloud cover roll in. So I'll go partly cloudy for the morning, mostly cloudy for the afternoon hours. Now, most of us will start out dry Friday, but we will see a chance of rain perhaps across East Texas, Oklahoma by maybe mid to late morning here. And for most of us, a lot of this rain will be coming in Friday afternoon, Friday evening. You can see 7, 8 o'clock still pretty dry here as far as Shreveport, and points to the south that we may have some rain ongoing in Texarkana Friday afternoon, Friday evening. So if you do have some outdoor plans, just kind of keep that in mind. The rain expected to be heavy as Friday night into Saturday morning, and you see the last push of the rainfall kind of making its way through midday Saturday. Still expect that we'll see the rainfall taper off in most locations late Saturday morning, early Saturday afternoon. So I think your Saturday outdoor plans probably okay late in the day, but much better for us on Sunday. Latest rainfall map a little bit lower than yesterday, but it's still indicating a lot of areas could be in that 1 inch range. So if we get an inch of rainfall, it's not going to hurt our lake and river situation here, just may slow the drop for at least a few more days, which is honestly not a great thing, but it is good to see some of that dry weather next week. Temperatures stay on the cool side here. We'll be in the 40s or 50s through the weekend, and then we'll gradually start to see a bit of a warm up as we go into next Tuesday, Wednesday. Some of the models hinting maybe there'll be some rain late next week, but right now keeping it dry through at least Wednesday with some warmer weather on the way by the middle of next week.